I picked up a Maximum Motorsport roll bar. Picked it up a couple days ago, and I spent Thanksgiving. Well, didn't really have much to do on Thanksgiving except for cook. So, pick up a Maximum Motorsport roll bar local to me. Picked it up. It was brand new, still in the, it was still wrapped and everything on a pallet. He just never used it, put it in the car, so got for a pretty good deal. Threw about 4 coats of paint on it. It's gloss black. Got all the bars. This is a bolt-in kit, swing outdoors. The back coupe bolt-in, but we will need to get that welded up for extra strength. But goal is to get this into the car this weekend as well. I want to get the the throttle body situation taken care of. Then we'll work on this next. Should be exciting. Should be really easy to do. There's nothing in the car. Alright, so got the roll bar in the car. Got the rears on, just bolted, just hold them in place. Just need to move all the, the carpet, sound deadening, what you want to call it. Pull it back, let it sit back, kind of get an idea where the roll bar needs to sit. And we'll push it all the way back. I removed all the sound deadening out of the way because we want flush all the way to the floor. Did on both sides there. So like I said, we're going to push this roll bar all the way back up against, push it all the way back, back to the wheel well there, guess you what you want to call it. And kind of get everything marked out. I have a step bit we're going to use to drill it out. Got all the hardware we need. We got some plates so we can just sandwich it in. But before we drill, I want to put the crosses for the door put in, so we get everything set and we just drill once. We don't want to be drilling a bunch of times and all that. So yeah, so far it's been easy. Getting in the car, just doing some trimming here and there, and we'll get the other door bars on both sides, and we'll start drilling, getting it bolted in. Alright, a little progress report here. Everything's kind of fitted in place right now, but working on the main hoop. Got that side bolted down. I got this side bolted down as well. On this kit, on the plate underneath here, only comes drilled. We have 3 spots drilled into this plate, so you're having to drill this 4th one that's all the way over. It's part that dips down here, as you can see. So got my drill with the step on it. Just doing it well. I use a drill bit, drill it out, then step it up with the stepper there. And I still need to do the other side, but just got this side done. Just gonna drop it in place like so. This one's kind of tight. That's what she said, but it works. Now just throw a washer and a nut on it, tighten it down, and this side be pretty much done. Alright guys, so got majority of the roll bar in. Got it all bolted down. Everything on both sides. Got the rear bolted in. Oh, you got a light here. Got the plate in. For those, to get the holes, I pretty much just put on the back side of this plate here and just got a little Sharpie and marked the holes and drilled them out. Did both sides that way. We'll need to weld this part of the hoop or of the brace in here. Both sides got a bolt in it, just hold it in place, kind of just an alignment. So that will need to be welded up on both sides. So we'll eventually get to that. Last thing I got left to do is work on the door bars here, kind of get them in place and drill out what I need. And we got plates there that goes under them. Just got both sides left, and we'll be pretty much done with the row bar. And these are, swing out bars, so it should make it a bit easier getting out of the car. Alright, so let's get after it. Let's get this knocked out and get to the next thing. Alright guys, so just wrapping up the row bar here. I've already taken the driver side and passenger side out. Everything's bolted in, as you can see on the floor. Took out all my sun deadening, as you can see, so we have it bolted straight down to the metal. So pretty much all I got left here is, take care of the carpet, trim out what I need, go around the bars, and work on the wiring here. This is the positive, negative from the battery going up. It's going to go on, the starter relay and all that. But like I said, we're going to get all this wiring situated and get this carpet all put in, back in place where it needs to be. And we can pretty much call this row bar done. Next, what I want to tackle is wiring. I already got the Holley ECU in and everything. Got all the harness, everything put on. I do need to stick the elbow back on. Like I said, I'm not sure I showed y'all, but I'm not running out of air control, so Doug got me a plate. He made me a plate for me, and I took apart the idle air control using the plastic piece to shove inside. I stuck a couple washers to push on it, and use some RTV to seal it up. And for the, I guess you call it the PCB port here, I tapped it 1/8 tap and put a plug in it. Put a whole bunch of nylon on it, and actually threw a little bit of JB weld in it to plug it up. Should do the job. And then stick that back on. Get that situated. Then we'll start working on wiring, because I want to get the ECU wired up to the battery. Fuel pump wiring, but it shouldn't be too bad because I already have most of the wiring done. Did buy some new wiring for the fans, and I got some of these, so plugs for the fan, just plug right in. Should make it a little bit cleaner. Got some wiring here, some rubber cushion clamps. But yeah, we'll get this carpet all situated and we'll start working on wiring. But like I said, we're done with the row bar here. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna wrap up this video here on the roll bar. I really like the way it fit and everything. Went in very well. I was actually quite surprised how well it went into the car. So that being said, I suggest if you want to get a roll bar, the Maximum Motorsport roll bar is a great roll bar for these cars. And if I had to buy it again, I would. But guys, I'm gonna wrap up this video here. Hopefully you enjoyed it. This didn't show too much of the install process, but it's really straightforward. Got the instructions down there. I've already done this before. I've kind of already had an idea how to put these in. Didn't do too much reading on the instructions, but like I said, I put it in before, and everything fits great. So I'm gonna wrap up the video here. Hopefully you liked it. Be sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell, so you'll see the next video when it comes out. But until next time, guys, I will see y'all later.